Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can do the Fortune Seeker event in Dragonheir Silent Gods. So you can challenge this event now, because I made this video is for beginner that are still confused how to join or how to challenge the event in this game to get some rewards. Let's get started by tapping this icon, event icon. But before that, you have to go to the camp. When you are login, the start point is the camp. Just tap this event icon, and this is the event page. And this one, scroll down and you can find Fortune Seeker. So in this event, you have to clear Grave of Venom, Grave of Curse, and Grave of Wrath to win bountiful reward. This is the reward, and you have to obtain point. Just tap this, and this is the event rules. You can learn the event rules. The top difficult is difficult 9. You get 26 point. And how obtain? Just tap this one, Grave of Venom, and its location of the map, this one. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. Enjoy the